Looking for the perfect solution for marking away from the production line? Print barcodes, data matrix codes, texts, and logos with high resolution up to 600 dpi. Because of its advanced printing system, you have more options to print your codes, text, or logos. First, by typing your text on the wireless keyboard connected to the portable printer. Just create your text, tap the print button, and you are ready to print. Second, it can detect the coding data from any data source within the company, or you can simply use a barcode scanner to generate and print multi-line texts. Third, simply select text to be printed wirelessly using a barcode scanner, and print them on all surfaces with the innovative Edding Portable Printer. With its positioning laser and flexible ink range, can print on almost any surface like boxes, plastic bottles, steel, or even wood and concrete. This German-made marking portable printer allows you to print whether you are in a warehouse or out on a building site. To know more, send us a message or visit our website at www.labelstek.com.